Hi, so we are back with another video. In today's video we are going to replace the battery of a detachable tablet laptop, which is Latitude 5290 2-in-1. So it is actually like a tablet with a detachable keyboard like this one. So it has a battery which comes into the tablet side of the PC, not on the keyboard side, because usually in the laptops what happens, the battery is always under the keyboard, but in this case the battery is in the tablet. So we are going to change the battery. Before moving on to the changing of the battery, we will first show you the battery. So this is the battery. The model number of this battery is I will show you. So this is the original battery, and the model number is JOPGR 7.6 watt 42 watt hour. Very slim battery because it comes inside the tablet. This is the connector. So the question is how to open this tablet, because it's machine that does not show any screws anywhere. So how to open it? So if you want to open, first of all just remove the keyboard like this, because this is detachable. You can detach the keyboard easily like this. Put the keyboard aside. Okay, so now we are going to open this tablet. First of all, we will remove some screws. The screws are behind the stand, which helps this tablet to stand like this, and the stand goes like this. So open the stand. Okay, now you can see some screws are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The screws you will need to open. I have already opened to save some time. Okay, it's a flips the screws. So after opening all of them, you will need to unclip the screen from the body. Okay, as you can see, this is a touch screen. You will need to be very careful while doing this, but you can do this easily. Okay, how you are going to do? You will need one plastic unclipper or a pry tool. For example, I have this little plastic. From the help of this, I can open the screen. How you are going to do? You need to put here like this, then push along with the screen, but be careful, don't break the body. Okay, I show you how to do this. Okay, so if I will push with the body, I can put it inside like this, then push all the way. I'm using only one hand, so just to show you how to do this. here you can see it is inside between the body and the glass. So just what you need to do, let me focus first. It is not focusing over here. Now it is clear, you can see it. So what you will do, you will push the object between the body and the screen like this. See, it is now opening. Push along like this, but be careful, don't break the screen. See, it is getting opened. Like this. See? So after opening some part of it, just use your fingers like this, and then you can open the tablet easily like this. It will leave the body, but be careful because you can break the glass otherwise. You need to be very careful. See, now it has left the body almost. And then don't take the screen quickly away from the body, because there is a cable that connects the screen with the motherboard. Here you can see there is one cable, the yellow cable, this one. It actually connects the screen, sorry, the black one with a yellow tag on it. It is going on to here like this one. Okay, so be careful, don't break it. Just put it like this with a with the wall, so that it stands like this. Then take the battery here. This is the battery. Put it over here like this. There are some little holes. Fit them well. This is the cable, and then another one here. Align it. Okay, and then this also. So it is now fit. Now put the cable. So we have put the cable over here. In my case, the connector was already broken, so it took a while to put the connector back. Okay, so in this model you can upgrade the SSD as well, and you can change the Wi-Fi card. So this is it. Just close it back because we have put the battery. Now close the screen again like this. It's very easy to close it. Just some clicks you will hear like this. Push it in again, back to its same location like this. Nice and easy. Okay, check if there is any gap between body and the screen. All fixed. Now what you will need to do, go again on the back side, open the stand again like this, then put the screws again on the locations from where you unscrewed them. Then you can start using the laptop again, because you have put a new battery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos related to the laptops and tablets and gaming laptops. Thanks again. Bye bye.